camped in Red Rock Park, but for some reason we didn't take any pictures of our camp spot. The nearest town was Gallup, New Mexico, and we went into town. I think we might have got something to eat, but we had beautiful sunsets there. If you happen to be a bead person who makes their own jewelry, Gallup, New Mexico is where you want to go. I have never found beads that inexpensive anywhere.
Please take a second to comment, subscribe, ring the bell to get notices of new videos, and please give a thumbs up.